Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Steam account on your device. Before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let us get started. First of all, open up your web browser, and also you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open your web browser, right on top there is a search bar, so then enter the link that is store.steampowered.com. and you can also find the link on my description box as well. As you type in the link, on the other page you will land inside the profile or a login page. From here, tap on login in the top right corner. As you tap on it, you'll have to enter your sign-in information, so make sure to enter the correct information. Right over here you can see that I'm logged in. Next, tap on your username in the top right corner. As you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on account details. As you tap on account detail, on the other page you have all your information. So on this following page, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you can see delete my Steam account. So tap on the link. On the other page there is an update, so make sure to go through it and then scroll down, and right at the bottom you can see proceed to account deletion. Tap on it. On the other page you'll have to submit a request, so then you'll have to provide your information, so make sure to enter your correct information. Once you're done entering your information, on the third step, you'll have to enter delete my account. Once you've done that, tap on send in the bottom right corner. So once again, you will land inside support center. So then slightly scroll down. Right in between, you can see there is an update saying that a confirmation link has been sent to your email. So you must check your email address. Right over here, you can see that I've received an email, and then make sure to go to the following statement and then tap on view support request, which is right in center. As you can see right over here, the deletion request has been submitted. All you have to do is wait patiently for them to delete your account. Now that is how you can delete your Steam account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.